Hello, I'm Philip Stojan. I'm here at SMTA Guadalajara 2024 and I'm on the booth of Pemtron with Jaime. Great to see you again, Jaime.
How's you been?
Yeah, good. We were talking. We were at Innovations Forum together in 2017, the first time we met.
Now.
So it's been some time, and the industry's really gone gangbusters here in those, 7 years. But meanwhile, SMTA has also done an awesome job here. It's really grown to be the key association here. It's got a network of trade shows. And this trade show, I remember going to it at the Rui Plaza. It was just tabletops. Now it feels like a real trade show with a really good number of visitors.
Yeah, we're really trying to compete to the big shows in other places and other countries. Yeah. And yeah, we're really proud of what we have achieved so far.
Yeah.
I guess it's based on teamwork.
Yeah, I think it is. And you know what I really like about SMTA is it feels really grassroots. It's volunteers, it's people from the industry, it's people from your customers as well as from the supply side getting together and creating the show that everybody needs. Yeah. And that's the difference, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really a really enjoyable experience. I mean, when you share ideas, and it's really funny because we have people working from different companies, even competitors.
Yeah.
And there is no fight against it.
No.
Everybody's willing to help.
Yeah.
When you offer an idea, they are cheerful to help you and achieve it.
Yeah.
So obviously that reflects in the kind of event that we promote, the number of people that comes, the kind of solutions that you see here.
Yeah.
So obviously you feel proud about it.
Yeah, it's a great team. It's super impressive. I've been talking to a lot of people here in the capital equipment market, and it's been a little bit gloomy. You're the first person to tell me they've seen a bit of an uptick in the third quarter. I hope we see more in the fourth quarter once the election's out of the way. But you're saying you're seeing better signs in the market, particularly in the north of Mexico.
Yeah, for us, the north region has always been good, especially with the automotive suppliers. So basically, Reynosa, Matamoros, Juarez area, Chihuahua, some of it, has been growing. They started releasing some projects. So obviously with the openness to start buying equipment, renewing some of those, it's been helpful for us. So for us, market has been good in this quarter. Hopefully the last quarter of this year will be even better. Yeah,
and is the automotive market a market that Pemtron plays particularly strongly in?
Yeah, we have become really good on it. Obviously it has been really demanding.
Yeah.
The standards demanding for that market, it has been complicated to achieve, but at the end it has paid out.
Yeah.
So our equipment has been focusing to that market.
Yeah.
We have a new technology, has been in the market for 2 years, but it's exploding lately with the dual lane systems.
Yeah.
So that helps a lot with the throughput of the lines.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's one thing. The other one is the customization on other equipment, like our twin equipment that has a capability to inspect either SMT or through hole. So in the back-end area has been really good.
Yeah.
And those products, especially for like chargers on the EV products, that is high components in matter of height, really tall components, heavy, working on pallets.
Yeah.
Inspection for those kind of products has been really good for us.
Yeah.
The automation of this process has been implemented a lot lately.
Yeah, and congratulations, you won an award for the dual lane as well. So
we were happy for that.
Recognition that is indeed important with your customer base. When you've been at the show this week, it's been a good footfall. There's been a lot of people through.
Yeah, a lot
Have they been
traffic.
asking for anything in particular?
No, mainly new implementations.
Yeah.
Everybody's expecting to have everything exploding really soon.
Yeah.
So everybody wants to be ready for it. They are trying to find solutions for current projects, kind of updating those processes. And that's basically what they are focusing to, like being ready for it.
Yeah.
So we hope it will be that way.
Yeah.
Nothing in particular, but I think all the solutions that we offer
are resonating.
Brought out interest.
Yeah. And when you talk about that, sudden uptick, what happens then is people have put stuff off, but suddenly they want it quickly. How do you deal with that rapid increase in demand? Is that something you have stock ready for? Or?
We have been preparing for that. Obviously, it is a big investment to have a stock. But yeah, we've been trying to be prepared for it. We try to be at least ready with some equipment with the standard configurations, but we are also open to have customizations. Specific processes and products demand certain qualities or characteristics on the equipment.
Yeah.
So Pemtron has always been focusing being open to do that. And our corporate has always been investing in that kind of capabilities.
Yeah, and it's listening to voice of customer, isn't it? Whether it's technology, whether it's service and support, whether it's supply and demand, you need to be receptive to what the customer's asking you for.
At the end of the day, the customers drive our efforts.
The customer's king.
Yeah, you have to follow up with them.
Yeah, absolutely. Jaime, keep doing what you're doing at Pemtron. You're doing an awesome job, but also keep doing what you're doing at SMTA. It's a great organization and a great event. Thank you, my friend.